Computering the art of visual storytelling, exploring photography and filmmaking. Photography and filmmaking are powerful mediums of visual storytelling capable of evoking emotion, preserving memories, and communicating powerful narratives. In the digital era, the creative and industries of photography and filmmaking have witnessed tremendous growth as reflected in their significant cost per click value of $11. This value underscores the popularity and the demand for captivating visual content in the online advertising landscape. The art of photography is the art and science of computering light to create images that freeze moment in time. With the advent of digital cameras and smartphones, photography, the art form has become more accessible to a broader audience from professional photographers to amateur enthusiasts. Photography has become a way for people to express themselves and share their perspectives with the world. The impact of social media on photography. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook have revolutionized revolutionized the way we consume and share visual content. The rise of influencers and photography communities has spurred creatively and inspired new styles and trends. Photography now more than ever serves as a means of self-expression and communication on a global scale. The role of professional photography. While smartphones have made photography accessible to all, the importance of professional photography remains unparalleled. Professional photographers possess technical skills, creative vision, and the ability to capture the essence of the moment. From portrait photography to commercial and landscape photography, professionals play a crucial role in various industries, including marketing and advertising, filmmaking as a visual storytelling. Filmmaking takes a visual storytelling to new level, combining moving image, sounds, and narrative elements. Films and have the power to transport an audience to different worlds, evoke emotions, and deliver a powerful message. From Hollywood blockbusters to indie films, documentaries, filmmaking is a diverse and influential art form. The digital age of filmmaking. Digital technology has revolutionized filmmaking, making it more accessible to aspiring uh, filmmaker. High quality cameras, affordable editing software, and online distribution platforms have democratized the process of creating and sharing files. Independent filmmaker and content creator now have the opportunity to reach a global audience with their work.